Hey everyone, welcome back to Bike Buzzing channel. Today we're diving into one of the most highly anticipated motorcycles of 2026, the Harley-Davidson V-Rod, model that blends power, cutting-edge technology, and timeless design. If you've been following Harley's journey, you know the V-Rod has always been a symbol of performance and innovation. But for 2026, Harley-Davidson has taken things to the next level. Let's break down what makes this new V-Rod so special. A bold new design. The 2026 V-Rod brings a sleek modern redesign to Harley's iconic muscle cruiser. Gone are the more traditional retro lines of earlier V-Rod models. Instead, we're looking at a streamlined, aggressive aesthetic that screams power. From the sharper angles of the bodywork to the more aerodynamic stance, the 2026 V-Rod looks ready to tear up the road. The headlight has been reworked into a minimalist LED unit, while the rear end features a sculpted tail section that improves airflow. Harley has really focused on creating a machine that's not just about looks, but also performance. The design feels futuristic, yet still carries that unmistakable Harley DNA. The heart of the V-Rod, power and performance. At the core of the 2026 V-Rod lies Harley-Davidson's new Revolution Max 1250R engine. This liquid-cooled V-twin powerhouse delivers a jaw-dropping 160 horsepower and 120 lp-ft of torque. This new power plant ensures that the V-Rod not only looks fast, but can back up its appearance with pure speed. Coupled with a revised chassis, Harley has created a bike that handles like a dream. The V-Rod's new frame is lighter and stiffer, which results in more precise cornering and better stability at high speeds. Whether you're cruising on a straight highway or carving through twisty mountain roads, the 2026 V-Rod is built to perform. Advanced technology for 2026. In terms of technology, the 2026 V-Rod is a major step forward. The bike now features a full-color TFT display, replacing the old analog dials. This screen gives you all the info you need, including navigation, bike diagnostics, and riding modes, all at a glance. Plus, the system connects seamlessly with your smartphone for calls, music, and notifications while you ride. Harley has also equipped the 2026 V-Rod with rider safety enhancements like cornering ABS, traction control, and multiple ride modes. These features are designed to keep you safe no matter the conditions. Whether you're riding in rain or on slick roads, the V-Rod systems are there to help you maintain control. Comfort meets performance. While power and performance are key, Harley also understands the importance of comfort, especially on longer rides. The seat on the 2026 V-Rod is designed with ergonomics in mind, providing a more relaxed and comfortable riding position without sacrificing that sporty feel. The foot controls are adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect riding stance. Plus, the new suspension system provides a smoother ride, even on rougher terrain, making it easier to ride for hours on end without discomfort. The sound of Harley, unmistakable. One thing that Harley-Davidson is known for is its unmistakable sound, and the 2026 V-Rod stays true to that tradition. The new exhaust system has been tuned for a deep, throaty rumble that echoes Harley's rich heritage. Whether you're revving it at a stoplight or cruising down the highway, the V-Rod's exhaust note is bound to turn heads. Pricing and availability now. Let's talk about the price. The 2026 Harley-Davidson V-Rod is expected to start around $21,000, putting it in line with other high-performance cruisers in its class. Of course, the price can vary depending on customization options and regional factors. The bike will be available for purchase at Harley-Davidson dealerships later this year, and you can already start reserving one if you're ready to experience the next level of performance. Conclusion: a new era of the V-Rod. The 2026 Harley-Davidson V-Rod is a thrilling evolution of an already legendary bike. With its aggressive new design, insane performance, and advanced tech, it's clear that Harley is gearing up for a new era in the cruiser world. Whether you're a longtime Harley fan or a newcomer to the brand, the V-Rod is a bike that demands attention. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzing. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 V-Rod. Are you ready to take one for a spin? Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews and updates. Until next time, ride safe and keep buzzing.